Come with us to get the goods from Walgreens.
Let's go. We found the goods.
Oh my God,
They're so preppy.
Back home to go put them on.
We'll show you the result when we're done.
Come on.
Okay, the taste. I love it.
Yeah, they're kind of looking.
It's like it
It makes everything shine.
Well, when I went to my audition, this is that I did.
Yeah, that was good.
I was trying to do. I know I'm really good. I want to do like that one weird, like that one crazy, like popular on the video.
Oh, I see people.
Honey, if you yell out loud,
It doesn't matter.
yeah, these.
Happy.
These are so much.
See?
Oh, don't you like go like that?
This is you.
You're going to there.
Oh yeah. Okay, like, but yeah, we have to check our nail sizes. So
We got our nail sizes. Now we gotta file our nails. Now I have to put my cubicles.
and then I'm just going to longer is the double method.
Double click, guys. First nail done. One hand done. So far, y'all, there's something.
Wait, 2 nails left.
Just leave it alone.
In a second. Chill.
In a minute, I'm gonna
Send it.
No.
You have to see what kind of model is.
Let's go, keep going.
Way too much. I need to talk about it. Oh, I'm so down under pressure. Oh, I'm going to find the stress. Yeah. Oh,
Keep it, keep it,
I'm a girl as I used to be.
Keep it, keep it.
You like me better.
Turn on the music and also the nail.
Let's celebrate. I got feeling. I'm gonna be okay. Let me put it on.
Yeah, please.
Okay, alright. It's about time.
What? Oh, come on. Tipsy. Damn, I can't so fan. Oh, that was like, oh crap, that's so weird. Cause my cut.
I was like, did I do it wrong? Oh, what was wrong? Oh, I had one hand down and I just one hand down. So that's not it.
Okay.
Oh, what was wrong?
Oh my god, my nails suck. Can you take me? We're gonna do something weird.
So
So nice. Gas it up. This nail feels so weird.
hey, press your leg.
Oh my god.
I don't love it.
Oh baby, baby.
Hey, press your leg. Hey, press your leg. Why is it burning on my skin?
Wait.
Stop pushing! Oh, look at this. Okay, I'm done. Okay, that does my nails.
Okay, she's holding my nails.
Stop putting it on me.
It goes on and on.
I'm gonna have to do 4 extra nails. Even on my other.
Cause I can do it because I don't know I can't find them myself. If I say about that. If I don't want to do it, someone bring it on me. Do what you need.
Damn,
Oh my god, I can still burping.
give me that nail. That's why
My skin suck.
Oof, I don't care.
Wait, where's the nail?
Oh,
Oh lord. Did you see the title?
what? Oh my god.
Oh god.
Y'all like it? Yo, watch out on them. Drive, Debbie.
We're done.
We're done.
These
These
are
are
the
so
final
slight.
results. And these are for the first day of school. My outfit's like cherry
Oh my God,
pink.
I'm
So it's gonna go
slow.
so well. Okay, bye, Pookies.